Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Bootiful Spring Boot is a popular series of tutorials and resources created by Josh Long, a well-known advocate of Spring Framework and Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a powerful framework that simplifies the development of Java applications by providing a set of conventions and defaults for building production-ready applications quickly. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of Spring Boot 3, including setting up a simple application, using Spring Boot's features, and providing a code example to illustrate these concepts. Prerequisites. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK 17 or higher installed, as Spring Boot 3 requires Java 17. Maven or Gradle, you need a build tool like Maven or Gradle. An IDE, an integrated development environment like intellij IDEA or Eclipse. Setting up a Spring Boot application. 1. Create a new Spring Boot project. You can generate a Spring Boot project using the Spring Initializer. Go to Spring Initializer, https://start.spring.io. Choose the following options. Project, Maven project. Language, Java. Spring Boot, 3.x.x, latest version. Project metadata, fill in the group, artifact, name, description, and package name. Dependencies, add web, JPA, and H2 database, for demonstration purposes. Click on Generate to download a zip file containing your new project. 2. Unzip the project and open it in your IDE. 3. Directory structure, the resulting project has a standard Maven structure. src. Main. Java. Com. Example. Demo. Demo application.java. Resources. Application.properties. Static. Templates. pom.xml. Building a simple REST API. Let's create a simple REST API for managing books. 1. Create a book entity. Create a new class named book.java in the com example.demo package. Java. Package com example.demo. Import jakarta.persistence.entity. Import jakarta.persistence.generated-value. Import jakarta.persistence.generation-type. Import jakarta.persistence.id. At entity. Public class book. At ID. At generated value, strategy equals generation type.identity. Private long ID. Private string title. Private string author. / constructors, getters, and setters. Public book. Public book, string title, string author. This dot title equals title. This dot author equals author. Public long get ID. Return ID. Public void set ID, long ID. This dot ID equals ID. Public string get title. Return title. Public void set title, string title. This dot title equals title. Public string get a user. Return author. Public void set a user, string author. This dot author equals author. 2. Create a repository. Create a new interface named bookrepository.java. Java. Package com example.demo. Import org.springframework.data.jpa.repository.jpa repository. Public interface book repository extends JPA repository book, long. 3. Create a controller. Create a new class named bookcontroller.java. Java. Package com example.demo. Import org.springframework.beans.factory.annotation.autowired. Import org.springframework.http status. Import org.springframework.http.response entity. Import org.springframework.web.bind.annotation asterisk. Import java.utility list. At REST controller. At request mapping, /books. Public class book controller. At auto wired. Private book repository. At get mapping. Public list book get all books. Return book repository. Find all. At post mapping. Public response entity book create ebook. At request body book. Book saved book equals book repository. Save book. Return new response entity, saved book, http status. Created. 4. Configure application properties. Open src/main/resources/application.properties and add the following. Properties. Spring.datasource.url equals jdbch2mem test. Spring.datasource.driver class name equals org.h2.driver. Spring.datasource.username equals sa. Spring.datasource.password equals. Spring.h2.console.enabled equals true. Spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl auto equals update. 5. Run the application. In your IDE, run the demo application.java class. This will start the embedded Tomcat server. Testing the REST API. You can use tools like Postman or curl to test your REST API. 1. Get all books. Bash. curl x get http://localhost 8080/books. 2. Create a new book. Bash. curl x post http://localhost 8080/books h content type application/jsond title : Spring Boot in action, author : Craig Walls. Conclusion. You've just built a simple Spring Boot application with a RESTful API for managing books. This tutorial introduced you to the basics of Spring Boot 3, including creating entities, repositories, and controllers, as well as configuring the application. For further learning, you might want to explore additional features like security, testing, and deploying your Spring Boot application. Josh Long's resources, such as his books and video tutorials, can provide deeper insights and advanced techniques in Spring Boot development. Happy coding!